Welcome to this webinar. I'm Harm van Barneveld from the Netherlands. I'm 22 years old and I volunteer in blueFOCUS. I do water management in Rotterdam. I've been doing that for 4 years, and it's about city water systems and river systems all around the world. And today I want to tell you something about blue generation and ocean energy. I started doing this study because it's an interesting study with a wide range of subjects. It's about design of streets, designs of cities, designs of water systems, and also about politics, governance, and technology. And that was very interesting to me. My father actually recommended it to me. I went to the Open Study Day. I did some research about the subject, and I saw lots of examples of other students who already finished the study and where they ended up, and that was very appealing to me, and therefore I started in 2018. So I study at the Rotterdam University of Applied Sciences, and to finish my internship and my minor, I've been living in Rotterdam for a year. Yes, as I've mentioned, it has a great range of subjects. You can go lots of different ways and lots of different directions. Also, it's a pretty new study in my case. So there are lots of interesting innovations which can be explored further. As well as water is a basic necessity for everyone. It's needed everywhere. Also, there are lots of water problems in shortage and abundance. So there's always a problem that needs to be fixed. So there are always people that are needed in this field. So I'd like to own my own company, capable of helping individuals, communities and organizations using nature and technology for protection and availability of water over the whole world. Well, because the sector is aging, there are lots of people that will retire in the near future. That is the case in the Netherlands anyway. Which is why they set up my study 15 years ago to create new people, new growth, to supply the jobs that are available, and create new innovations in the field. And this is the same case in Europe, which is why we started these webinars. Yeah, ocean energy is one of the topics in blue energy, in the blue energy program. It's the world's largest untapped source of renewable energy. A few numbers. In 2050 it can provide the 10% of the total supply for Europe in energy, and therefore there are 400,000 jobs that are needed in this field. And they will be able to do that with advanced ocean energy technologies, which are very interesting. Right now there are 4 different types. One of them is tidal current, which is interesting because it's predictable because of the gravity that's being created by the sun, the moon and the earth. And therefore, it's the most reliable source of energy. So, because we can predict it, we know where we can harvest the most and the most efficient. It can be harvested close to land, around islands and estuaries, which are where rivers enter the sea. And these tidal devices that capture the energy are smaller as opposed to, for example, wind turbines. They take up less space and therefore can be used in an increased density and thus more efficient.
Are there any other interesting ocean energy sources?
Yeah, there are several others actually. One of them is wave energy, which is probably the most well known. Another one is OTEC, which stands for Ocean Thermal Energy Conversion, which is particularly interesting for countries with deep water access. Example is Hawaii. They use hot surface water and deep cold seawater to create a temperature difference in the system, which in turn drives a turbine. And they can do that 24/7, as well as using the deep cold seawater to cool the system and not use other energy to create energy. As well as there are other technological challenges with this technology, like temperature differences in the system which need to be reduced, as well as pressure loss, and which is why we need new people and new innovations to make this technology more efficient and more interesting for other countries. That was it. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.